Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a media creation tool error 0x80072F8F 0x20000 while upgrade Windows 7 to Windows 10. Let's fix it guys. Just need to right click on the media creation and select properties. And now under here you can able to see an option called unblock and select the unblock option and select apply and OK for save changes. After doing that, you just need to check my video description for this download link. Check my video description. Just select the link and download this file. Just after getting download done, just double click on the file and select I agree and select next. Select yes. After getting this done, you just need to select close and now double click on the media creation. Select yes. It will take 1 minute to launch. As you can see, it launched right now. And now you can continue the process without having any problem. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.